We are Mecky and Fernie. We are cruising the Bahamas in 2023 on our 34-foot PDQ Power Cat named Soulstice. Join us on our adventures at Time for Act 2. See you soon. Check out the current. You can tell by comparing it as it goes by that little white snake there. Little white hole in the water. And obviously we're going pretty fast because we're going with the wind and with the current. And here we have 3 windmills. That's 3 windmills, and none of them are turning. And it is kind of a windy day today. So we're anchored here at Thomas Cay, and it's really nice. Got 2 little beaches there, and honestly, this is the Highbourne Cay area. We also have neighbors, but it is blowing quite a bit, as you can see. So we're just making sure this is the best location for us for tonight. Pulling up anchor. It's going to get a little bit blowy tonight, so maybe we're looking for a better place. So winds coming from that direction there, and the actual gusts of 35 are coming from this direction here. So I think we found our home for the evening. You always got to take into consideration where the wind's going and what the current's doing as well. So this is for the evening. It's a nice place. Let you know how we fare through the evening. Alright, so hopefully this is it for the evening. Winds are beginning to kick up. We actually have 2 anchors out. And there are the windmills that are not turning, even though it's a very windy day. But we got a nice views all the way around. This is the backyard. As you can see, 2 anchors because we really do not want to hit this. Saying goodbye to this Pike Creek anchorage. Captain, you got anything?
Thank God that anchor held. Thank God.
You gotta have a good anchor setup.
You gotta pray.
You gotta pray and you gotta have a good anchor setup. We had our first 35-mile-an-hour blow overnight, and we survived it, tucked away in this little spot here, which was good for us. So bye-bye Pike Creek. Motoring to Shroud Cay, Shroud Cay. This is a pretty nice passage. our second visit to Shroud Cay. We enjoyed it so much the first time. We wanted to do it one more time. Right, Captain?
Yes.
Yes.
This was a nice day here in Shroud Cay.
Yeah. And we are in our favorite little beach in Shroud Cay. Captain's gonna try and do some drone shots. And we've literally been soaking here for the past couple hours. Really, really lovely beach. It's probably one of our favorites in this area. Just gorgeous. Captain, what are you doing?
I'm doing a little video of this whole area here.
You're playing with the drone?
Yeah, I'm playing with the drone.
Nice. Very nice. We got some drone action here. Yep, definitely. Are we waving? Rainy day here. Driving from inside. Captain, is this gonna get better?
Not sure.
Not sure. Yikes. That was not a promising statement. We are back at Xuma's for dinner, and definitely this place has a lovely view, and very nice surroundings. It's a nice restaurant. There's the captain looking forlorn. This is one of the beaches at Highbourne Cay, and look at this, it's just gorgeous, really pretty beach. Leaving Highbourne Cay, it's a little bit yucky right now, but the captain says things will improve. So we got this going on right now. So still not a great trip, not a terrible trip, but not a great trip. The whole time it's kind of been like this. So Not fun, not fun. We're looking forward to docking at Nassau. Yucky rain cloud as we wait for our visitors, our crew members that are flying in today. This is a bit of a bouncy marina, as you can tell. The boats are going back and forth and back and forth. So not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure what, we're not sure. Crew, hi crew. Hi crew, hi crew. Not sure what this guy is doing. Is he gonna back it? Oh, he's backing it in, baby. He's backing in. Oh yeah, yep, I can see it right there. We already have 3 cruise ships, so this is the 4th one coming in. And he's gonna back it in there. A little bit exciting, a little bit exciting. I think this is unbelievable.
I would feel like I would make them open a hole there, but they go.
No, and considering that he has to fit in there.
Sí, yo sé, pero oye, está de más. Está como...
Tiene que ir entre medio de los...
They are gonna make it.
Yeah, because we just came with there from like an hour ago. It was just windy, no smells. We had a lot of traffic over there earlier. Like, we just heard that you're going your way soon.
And we are off. Bye bye Nassau. Bye bye Margaritaville, Point Marina. It was a great stay, a little bit rocky and rolly, but this is really a nice location. We got some great places to eat here. We got a local supermarket nearby. A lot of fun things to do here. Recommend it highly. But bye bye Nassau, on our way to the Berry Isles. Got a fisherman on board, and with any luck, we might have some fish. He's gonna turn. We got a fish on. We don't know what it is. Very exciting.
Autopilot.
Autopilot and slow down. Baby. What do we got? What do we got? it's dolphin? How do you know it's dolphin? Is it dolphin? Oh, I see something. I don't know that it's dolphin. Yeah. Oh, it's dolphin? No way. We got dolphin? It's okay. Hey, fish fingers. I'm happy with fish fingers. Ah, pobrecito.
Dolphins, Fernie starboard.
Starboard. Oh yeah, it's a little
I
guy.
hope it's not as small as I think it is. Oye, yo creo que no es dolphin.
Not dolphin.
No, it's not dolphin.
Sad face. Not happy. Not happy. Not happy. Look at all those teeth. And this is home for the evening. We are anchored by Bonds Cay. We got some neighbors here. We heard this was a good anchorage. And even though we have no fresh fish, we should have a fabulous